Welcome back to T&J Construction, guys. It's been a minute, and I myself, I've been feeling a little bit of the urge. I'm like, my family are missing me right now. Today is Father's Day. I'm like, you know what? No excuses. I'm gonna give them the update we got going on, and I'm also gonna give them the good news from the travel and everything that been happening so far behind the scene, guys. We have an update for you on our project that is on the Route 3 Highway. We had that one from building in Liberia part 1 up to part 5. This one gonna be the part 6, guys. But let's check it out, and we'll hear some more other information about my trip to Turkey and how everything came together, guys. Let's dive into it. If you are new here, my name is Sam T, and this is T&J Construction. We are the bridge between you and your construction project back in Mama, Liberia. So if you are looking to build a house, or if you are looking to, build your business center or do an estate, then T&J Construction is the company to call. We are based here in the United States, and we are also based in Liberia. So you come to us, we can talk about your projects, just draw your house plan, draw your plans, and then we can give you an estimate, and then we can go into the actual process of building your home, business center, or whatsoever thing you might have in mind. All right, guys. Guys, it's been a minute. I went to Turkey finally, guys. Initially, I wanted to go to China, but then I changed because I couldn't, just couldn't, get a ticket over there. And I did a little bit of more research. I'd be like, you know what? Why not go check out Turkey? And because we got a couple of our projects now that one is at roof level, one is coming up there towards roof level, and we're going to be doing the finishing portion of those projects, and we wanted to see what other materials we could find at an affordable cost, but that would be different from what they have in Liberia. So the CEO decided to get out of his comfort zone and make the trip. And the trip was a success, guys. The trip was a success. I ran into the drywall balls, and one of the things we're going to be doing, guys, if you're trying to build your house, the entire house don't have to be concrete, especially if you're building an estate, doing multiple buildings. We're going to do all the exterior walls and some of the load-bearing walls to be the concrete blocks, and put in all the reinforced columns and everything. But then all the other partitions can just be drywalls. And I ran into, when I got to Turkey, man, I went directly to the factory, guys. I didn't go to a wholesaler, I went to the factory. Everywhere I went in Turkey was to the factory, guys. So I'm going to be getting the same deals the wholesalers or the retailers, even better than the retailers, I'm going to be getting. So the only problem here is going to be the shipping, and that's why we are working out the kinks. As far as the shipping line, they are set and ready to go, and I'm just working out some other things behind the scene, and then see how we can get some of the materials to Liberia and start to use them. So definitely, if you're building a house, it's going to be cheaper, it's going to be nice, it's going to be more accurate and stuff like that. If we go with a drywall system, for your walls and ceilings and those kind of things. So we can definitely do that. Also check on the metal studs that we're going to be using behind if you are not comfortable of us using the wood. Though we're still going to use termite repellent chemical on those woods, that are not harmful to human beings, So we're going to be using those. But if you still not comfortable, we can use the metal studs for your project, and then we'll just shape that along with the drywall when we are bringing it in. So that's one of the things I saw in Turkey. I also saw doors, guys. I ran into doors. Beautiful doors. Beautiful doors. So as far as my Turkey trip is going to be, I think I'm going to do multiple videos on those so you can actually see where I went, who I talked to, you know, from the buses to the train rides, and you know, and everything that went on over there, guys. It was fun. It was fun. Sometimes it goes to take a chance. So yeah, and then I also ran into like wall coverings. I went into some other designs, beautiful design finishes for the home, you know, but more like a sponge slash fiberglass, you know, cheaper, and but at the same time give your house that flawless finish, or your business center that flawless finish. And some of the wall deco that I saw, those are stuff that is easy on the eyes, guys. When you can use them towards your headboard in your bedroom, or one side of your wall in your living room or dining room, and all that good stuff. Man, those are nice. And I ran into furnitures, guys. Furnitures. Ooh, some luxury furnitures. And most of the factory I went to one of the factory, and the guys were like showing me the pictures with African celebrities that come over there and purchase their stuff, people buying their stuff, people from Dubai coming over there to buy stuff, people from UAE, Saudi Arabia, anywhere around the world, guys. So I went to the right place. And so I got all those ones. We'll do separate videos for each ones, for the doors, for the tiles. Oh, I didn't even mention the tiles. I ran into tiles too. I went directly to the factory, and yeah, we have those one, you know, will be coming to you. So for my Turkey trip, you're gonna have a lot of multiple videos, you know, coming your way, you know, as I have the time to put them up. I can't wait to just upload an entire trip, guys, from the airport, you know, in the plane, and the food, and I also went out too, guys, to, you know, to the salon and stuff like that, the barber shop slash salon, you know, to get my little, you know, get a little shine going on, so I can actually get a different taste of the place I was. But all that stuff you're gonna be seeing then, guys. Yeah, it was a fun trip, and this trip is actually, it was a good decision, because I know whatsoever savings and whatsoever quality, whatsoever, you know, good thing we came in contact with, we are going to be passing that directly on to our customers. I'm myself going to be a customer, buying some of the things and using it in my homes too as well. So that was that on the Turkey trip, and then on my way back, how I end up in Montreal and stuff like that. I got a couple of videos to show you on that too. So yeah, it was a good trip. It was a good trip, guys. So, and one of the things we're trying to do too, with our construction projects, now with our construction company in Liberia, we are also trying to see if we can kind of create financing, you know, for customers. And we are working out those kinks and talking to the right people. If those deals and conversation, or you know, comes together well, I will bring you more details on those, but those are things we are working on. So if you're trying to do your project, you can maybe just make certain amount of down payment, and then this fund the rest of the entire project, and then you can pay them gradually, you know, especially if it's a business center, you know, you can pay the how your business can already be making you money while you paying. And if there's a home, you can already be enjoying your home, you know, and you just paying and stuff like that at your own pace and stuff like that. So those are some of the things we're working on. And as I said, as I told you guys previously, we are also trying to, you know, have our own black factory, you know, pass that savings on to our customers and stuff like that. And yeah, more in combination with bringing in drywalls and stuff like that for all of those beautiful construction projects that we will be embarking on for our customers currently and our customers to come in the future. So that is that. But you know what? Let's talk about this building on Ralphie Highway, or which I'm here to tell you about. And then after this building, the next project will be coming up. Definitely, I'm going to be bringing that to you. That's a project from Z Property, Shout Property, and I also use the opportunity right now to send a shout out to, you know, all of our customers or some of our customers so far. If I miss you, please forgive me. I'll definitely add you into the next video. So let's go in line. So Madeline and Abu Berry, I would like to say a big shout out to you guys, for coming to us and trusting us with your project. Robert Revelle, Charles, and Mona Kofa, hey, you guys already know we're gonna take good care of you. And Winston Wilson, hey guy, my man, we got you covered. Though we've been kind of still working on your estimate portion of your project, but we are almost there, guys. It's because I travel, so things slow down a little bit. Cole, Shiloh, hey lady, you already know. I mean, these are people that are always calling me and encouraging me. Be like, you know what, Sam, you gotta, do this, do that, and try to put up more videos and stuff like that. So, hey, peace and love to you guys. And Francis Davis, we're working on his plan, and I'd like to say a shout out. Charles Toba, we did his modern garage foundation. I would like to say a shout out. And now, currently, we're going to be starting the healthcare center, the Zoda Clinic, Zoda Health Facility, for the Z Property Group, guys, Chris and Z. Much love, peace, and definitely you guys are not making a mistake by coming to us. But let's see our building here that I'm bringing you update on, and then we can get into the turkey videos after those, and videos from Z Property Medical Facility that we're going to be starting very, very soon. So, all right, guys, let's dive into it. Let's check it out. Just wanted to take it back a little bit where we started before adding the slab that went over the garage for the man cave. This was the process. This is how everything came together. And just wanted you to see that first before we actually show you the finished product of the man cave and how we added the man cave. So as you can see, this is when we started the man cave. During the man cave, the process of doing everything, the casting of the columns, and all of that good stuff.
All right, T&J Construction, this is how far we are. We are right now looking at the Rubber Field Highway. Okay, the road leading to Rubber International Airport. So right now we are at the balcony of this man cave up here, or into this three bedrooms, modern design. As you can see, T&J Construction, this is how far we are. So let us do a walkthrough into this man cave so you can see what's going on. We have done the beam casting and put the two courses of black on top. So you see what's going on here. The spine that will come in one, and it will come to this place, and then this spine coming up will come to this. So we'll have an arch riding through, a curve going in like this from one angle to another angle, and all of them will be coming rest here. Then on top of this pillow, we'll have a triangular hollow within the beam. It will be casted here. Yeah, the beam and the pillow. So I mean, it will be something very nice that you're going to be seeing very soon. So this walk around balcony is an L-shaped form. Okay, you can see and view the entire side. You look at your neighbors from all perspectives of this main cave. Okay, so looking at this, let's enter in here to see what we're talking about right now. So we about to continue the blacks from this level to this side. Okay, the lintel on top of the door there, the blacks coming in to continue, and that side, the lintel on top of the bathroom as well. Okay, this is the bathroom within this main cave. Okay, we have this side for the POP design. This entire plain wall I see here, and then the bathroom within here. Okay, it's just a toilet, brother. I've not seen. I see this a bathroom before you get somehow. Yeah, this is a toilet space. The fish facing the how you call it, the water closet, which is the commode, and the water line that will be coming to supply the space. Then we have this window that will be serving for breeze and daylight. Another window here, and then we have another window on the side. So that's the T&J construction. This is how far we are. See you later. Let's see how best we can look down small this side. This is the exit. Okay, the stairs running in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1. So that's it. T&J construction. This is how far we are. See you later. Thanks for being there.
Let's do a walkthrough, guys, for this particular property. If you look from left to right, the building is at roof level and everything looks good so far. Yeah, let's enter the building and see what we're talking about. I'm gonna take you up to the man cave so you can see for yourself how everything turned out to be so far. One thing you're gonna notice as you climb the stairs is kind of laying back. It's not up and into your face, whereas you have to struggle climbing the stairs. So it's kind of at a perfect angle, perfect 30-degree angle where you can pretty much just like glide up the stairs without having to strain. That's one of the engineering we put into this. Look at the landing, it's spacious, and then the same stairs glide you gradually upstairs. And those metal tubes you see over there are where the railing's gonna go. So now you are into the man cave. Everything is at roof level right there. See, spacious, good sized tall windows, straight looking at Ralphie Highway as you see the car goes there. So that road is going towards the car is going towards the airport area. And if you look to the side, another huge window, for light, for illumination, and ventilation. That's the bathroom right there in the back. If you walk back there, it's a good size half bath, spacious, good size window too to go with it. And so far, yeah, that's the man cave area here / office. If you come outside, there's an arch in the front. If you look on the edges, there's no column coming from down going up, because we do more of an arch form in the front there, and then the railing is going to go to meet the center column post. So that's how we did this one. And the customer wanted something like a walking path once he's outside the man cave to be able to walk through the front and to the side of the building, get some, ventilation, enjoy the view, hang out and just see the neighbors. He just want like a handrail, the railing over there where he can just, bend over and rest there and rest the arms on the banister and just look at the neighborhood and take a sneak peek in the backyard too as well. So the back porch is not directly in the back, it's more towards the side. That's the back porch area right there, huge and long, as you can see. Yeah, that's the back porch. From that door, you go straight into the kitchen area right there. So just wanted you to take another look at that and see, how we did that. But yeah, if you look at the front right now, as you can see the camera facing, that's the street that's going towards the airport. Good view, good ventilation up there. We wanted to build this one in a way that it's a landmark in our area. It's not far from the road, but it's not too close to the road too as well. So it's at a perfect location. And that's the stairs. Coming down the stairs is the same thing. You're not struggling to come down. You kind of glide down easily. Just that's the same way you went up the stairs. So yeah, this billboard turned out good so far, and we are happy that our customer is happy. So this is the finished product so far, and we're going to be coming back sometime towards the end of this year to continue this project, carrying it to the finish line. Yep. If you trust T&J Construction with your project, I promise you we're going to give you our all. I'm going to do right by you. And you're going to make sure you have good quality work done. High ceiling, spacious, we'll give you the right engineering advice and so forth. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Yeah, now we are on to our next project. We are starting this one from scratch. The medical facility by Z Property, from Z Property, being done by T&J Construction Innovations LLC, and working with the water teams. They have helped us in a lot of ways to be better, and we just gonna make sure we actually make sure that effort and everything is worthwhile, and that's what they're gonna get from us, our best. So, hey, for all of our customers, we always like to tell you guys, we don't know it all. If you have a better processes or better way you want your project done, we can all work together and have it done. Our success is your success. Your success is our success. That's what we want. So, yeah, we are open to learning. We are open to growing. One of our main objective is to continual improvement in everything we do. You know, and if you are asking us to do something that we know that might be a detriment to you later, we will step in right away and let you know the pros and cons of your decision. And but other than that, we are open to learning, and we just wanted to thank you for trusting us with your project, for coming to us, and we're going to make sure that yeah, we keep our word, we keep our end of the bargain. All right, guys, I love you. As always, you already know that. Peace. I want to say good day, good night, whatever time you're watching this video. And take care, guys. Peace. I love you. Bye.